What's up, yo? I just wanted to go over a trade recap that did make me $500 plus today in the market. So first off, gold has been doing its thing, man. Gold has been cooking. Like, you can actually kind of predict and understand where the chart is going. So I might start trading gold a lot more now. NQ, bro, NQ. Nas, bro, don't even trade Nas. This month, don't even trade Nas. If you're watching this and it's May 2025, don't trade Nas. Please don't do that to yourself. But let's get straight to the video. We're working with higher time frame alignments. As you guys do know, one day does match up with the 4 hours. 4 hours, 15 minute, 1 hour, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour. I mean 1 minute. My bad for that. So essentially, what this means is if you have a higher time frame P array, you're looking for a aligned time frame. So pretty much here we have a 1 hour PD array and also another 1 hour PD array. So what do? We go into the 5 minute to look for any confluences for the PO3 trade. So pretty much what that means here is in the 1 hour we had an inverse fair value gap and we also had a fair value gap up here. So I had to go down to the 5 minute to look for any entries. So what did I see? It's pretty much what I seen here was I was asleep when this did tap into that 1 hour, so I couldn't even enter there even if I wanted to. So I was waiting for it to tap back into this zone, the inverse fair value gap, and then reject and make a push down. So that's exactly what did happen here. So pretty much it tapped into that inverse fair value gap and I waited for a change in state of delivery. My buy side liquidity, where my stop loss would be right at the peak, right at that peak of the inverse, so, or the liquidity sweep. So literally like right there. And then my change in state of delivery, I put that where the last up candle was. So this is the last up candle besides before it made its way down, and I would enter literally right here. I would enter right here because it closed above the change in state of delivery. So pretty much this trade did play out. As you guys can see here, it played out beautiful, bro. Oh my god, it played out so well. Like, look at this, y'all. It went all the way down to sell side liquidity, which we did have here. You could have honestly targeted these lows, but the probability of that happening was very low, especially seeing that the market was definitely rejecting and it's slowly making its way up. Actually, we'll see by tomorrow. But besides that, yeah, this trade was played out very well, y'all, honestly, and I might start trading gold a lot more. And also SMT for gold, you don't really need to look for SMT, as SMT is always there with silver, so you don't really need to look for SMT. So it makes it a lot easier to keep your eyes just on one chart, and just focus on, okay, this is where the momentum is going, this is where price might move. Let me put in my trade, let me look for my confluences, and let me enter. So again, I'm gonna reiterate, we look for that 1 hour higher time frame P array and we went down to the 5 minute for that entry. So this happened in its 5 minute time frame. If this was a 1 minute time frame, we would have been looking for a 15 minute P array, which would have probably happened. I don't know, you could say this right here would be an inverse, but I wouldn't really use that, honestly. It's been disrespected like 60 different times. Nah. We're not doing that, y'all. So besides that, I want to make a quick video. Hopefully you guys do like these quick trade recaps. I want to do a lot more of these, so definitely do go ahead, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.